Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this Tiger Pusheen for Lunar New Year. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. For this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Let's start off by drawing Pusheen at the bottom here. Let's start with the mouth. Start with a small circle down here. Next, inside, let's draw a curve over to the left, and then another one over to the right. And now one more curve underneath. Let's draw the eyes next. Now draw circles on either side of the mouth. And color them both in black. Next, let's draw the eyebrows with angled lines above each eye. Next, above the mouth, draw a curve across. And then underneath, draw 3 thick black angled lines. On the right, draw a curved V-shape up. And then the same thing on the left. Next, on the left side, let's continue this line and curve it down. Now let's hop back to the right side and draw 3 bumps down like this. And now let's draw 3 more bumps on the left side of the head. And next, draw the whiskers with 2 lines on either side. Now at the bottom, let's draw the foot with a curved shape. Now continue the body by curving it over to the right. And now let's draw one more foot. And now let's continue the body line, curving it up to the right. And another foot here again at the end. Now from the top of the head, let's draw a curve up to the right and then curve it back down to the foot. Next, for the body, let's draw some stripes inside. Draw 2 V-shaped stripes on the left side of the body, under the face. And now one more up on the belly. Another one in the back right. And then 3 large ones on the top of the back. Lastly, for Pusheen, let's add the tail. On the top right, draw 2 angled lines up. And then draw a curve at the end to connect the lines. Next, inside, let's draw some lines across for the stripes. And that's it for Pusheen. Next, let's draw a tree branch that's curving up above. Start in the top right here and draw a curve up and over to the right and back down. And now draw a parallel line above it. And now close off either end with a curve. Next, let's add some extra tree branches and flowers. On the bottom right, let's draw 2 curves for a branch. Now let's erase the branch line in between these lines so it looks like it's coming out of the tree. Next, at the end, let's draw a flower with 5 petals. And then draw a circle inside. And next, above it on top of the main branch, let's draw another larger flower. And then erase the tree branch lines inside. And now inside, draw 5 diagonal lines. Next, above this flower, let's draw another curved branch coming up. And now a leaf on the right. And then erase the branch line inside. And now let's add 1 curve inside this leaf. Next, let's draw another branch coming out on the left. And then add a flower at the end. And next, add 1 more leaf shape underneath. Now above the flower we just drew, let's draw another flower on top of the main branch. And then erase the branch lines inside. And now add a small circle inside the flower. Next, let's add another branch coming up above. And then add a leaf at the end. Now let's move over to the left and draw another flower. And now right next to it, let's draw a larger flower overlapping. And now erase the lines inside. Now inside this flower, let's draw the 5 diagonal lines. Next, let's draw another branch coming up above these 2 flowers. And then a leaf on top. Let's keep moving down the branch and draw another flower. and then a branch out to the left. And lastly, let's draw one more flower at the end of the branch. Lastly, for this picture, we're going to draw 2 lanterns hanging down. Underneath the branch, above the head, let's draw a line down. And now a curved rectangle shape underneath, but keep the bottom open. Now underneath, draw a curve across. And now from either end of this line, let's draw 4 bumps down to Pusheen. Let's draw the last lantern now. Underneath the leftmost flower, let's draw a line down. And then the curved rectangle shape like this, that's open at the bottom. Next, underneath, let's draw a large oval curve like this. And then one more of the curved rectangle shapes at the bottom. And that's it for this cute Lunar New Year Tiger Pusheen. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, and Happy Lunar New Year!